Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zscaler for secure access and identity policies, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Zscaler login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your secure password in the second field. Ensure that both your email and password are correctly entered. Now, locate and click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Zscaler dashboard. In case of an error, double-check your email and password for typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you can manage your secure access and identity policies. To review your identity policies, navigate to the designated section in the dashboard. Select the appropriate policy to view its details. Make any necessary adjustments based on your security requirements. Always ensure that changes to policies are saved. For enhanced security, consider enabling multi-factor authentication. Follow the provided guidelines to set it up. Once everything is configured, log out if you are finished. Click the Logout option in the top right corner of the dashboard. Confirm that you want to log out if prompted. Always remember to log out from public or shared devices. This ensures your secure access remains protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.